Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I have finally seen Java. I'm gonna give a grand salute to Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's life journey, his courage, his dedication, how he was a warrior, how he fighted with his hundred and thousand of Mughal villains. He was a share. He was a share roaring. He was roaring. Vicky Koshian's entry is outstanding when he's coming on the horse and how he fights these evil villains, Mughal Empire villains. जो मारता है धमाकेदार मारता है एंट्री सीन of Vicky Kaushal is outstanding, outstanding, absolutely. The character was brilliant, and how he fought it, how he fight it, and as Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, his journey, outstanding, and plus the storyline as well. Yeah, and what happened in the climax? Oh my God, the Gael warrior, why he suffered, he got chained up, how he suffered and pain, the dirt he went through. This Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, he portrayed, Vicky Kaushal portrayed outstanding. It's a roaring he was fighting. जब दुश्मन को मारता है, ये सब मुगलों को मारता है, सेना को ऐसे रोर करता है, ऐसे absolutely fantastic. You feel for this warrior, this period action drama, action packed movie. Absolutely धमाकेदार Vicky Kaushal. Absolutely fantastic. Vicky Kaushal has performed. Where his looks, his costume, where he fights with that mace, that gada जो मारता है सभी को, ये troops को मारता है, सेना को मारता है. Absolutely fantastic. Vicky Kaushal film. It's a Vicky Kaushal winner film for me. Absolutely बढ़िया film. Directed by Lakshman Utketekar, Lakshman Utketekar, and you have the Aurangzeb, who's played by this evil Aurang Mughal Empire, Akshay Khanna. Absolutely, his makeup, you just could not recognize Akshay Khanna. खतरनाक लग रहा था villain, absolutely खतरनाक. And plus you have Yoshu Bai as well, played by Vicky Kaushal's wife, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's wife, Rashmika Mandana. She was brilliant, good looking. Plus you have Ashutosh Rana, Divya Datta had a little role. You have a Dayani Painty as well. Vineet Kumar Singh was brilliant, and the climax as well. The dialogue delivery he gave brilliant. He was brilliant. We need Kumar Singh. But number one, absolutely a grand salute to this warrior. What he suffered, the pain, the sacrifice, the the blood he, and how he got tortured and he got chained up by this Mughal Emperor Sena. Absolutely is a winner, Vicky Kaushal. And climax, my God, it was very painful to see. I could not see. उसकी आंखें नोट, उसके सीखों से आंखें निकाल दी, उसकी जबान काट दी उसने लोगों ने. So much torture this warrior has suffered. And plus he showed his flashbacks, बचपन वो भी दिखाते हैं, सब कुछ दिखाते हैं इस स्टोरी में. And absolutely is brilliant. Absolutely, where they showed the story of this Chambali Maharaj, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's life journey. Absolutely, dil jeet liya Vicky Kaushal ne, dil jeet liya. Yeah, the climax was it was very painful. It was difficult to see. It was difficult to see. लेकिन घायल शेर हारा नहीं, तब तक लगा रहा, तब तक फाइट करता रहा. ये हार नहीं मानी, उफ नहीं की इसने, वॉरियर ने. एब्सोल्युटली ही जस्ट battle down these villains, मुगल सेना. एब्सोल्युटली जो चेन से मारता है, जो गदा से मारता है, Absolutely outstanding. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Vicky Kaushal. I cannot see any Bollywood actor playing this kind of role. This period action drama movie. सबके बस में नहीं है ये एक्टिंग कर सक विकी कौशल ने साबित कर दिया ये एक्शन सुपरस्टार हुई ये सब रोल कर सकता है विकी कौशल एब्सोल्युटली दिल जीत लिया एंड अक्षय खन्ना वाज गुड एज वेल बट व्हाट ही डिड टू छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज oh hi oh it's hard to watch it's hard to watch but Vicky Kaushal win my heart with Chava absolutely villain शेर की तरह स्ट्राइक करता है दुश्मन को एब्सोल्युटली वार करता है एब्सोल्युटली रोरिंग एंड प्लस दैट लायन सीक्वेंस जो लायन से मार डार करता है अपना तलवार निकालता है टाइगर का रोर उसका उसका ऐसे खाता है उसका शेर का मुंह उसके कहते हैं उसका माँ को ऐसे खाता है आ करके इसलिए एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक द सीन्स इज ब्रिलियंट दैट शेर वाला सीन इज ब्रिलियंट जब ट्रेलर पर आया था दिस सीन वाज आउटस्टैंडिंग ओह दिस इज द वॉरियर ही ब्रेव दिस वॉरियर ही फाइटेड still fighted but never gave up never gave up this warrior how he sacrificed his life how he got tortured how his nails got peeled off taken off नाखून को ऐसे निकाल दिया इस दुश्मन लोगों ने क्या टॉर्चर किया क्या जुल्म किया इस बेचारे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की लाइफ जर्नी a grand salute to this Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's story. Absolutely fantastic, Vicky Kaushal. What can I see? Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Finally, I've seen Chhawa. I was waiting for Chhawa. कब आएगी कब आएगी कब आएगी टीवी पर आ गई है मैंने फाइनली पिक्चर देख ली है एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक या एंड इट्स बाय माडक फिल्म्स दिनेश विजन इज द प्रोड्यूसर Absolutely fantastic. This is what I call a picture. Picture बोलते हैं इसको एक्टर बोलते हैं विक्की कौशल को परफॉर्मेंस बोलते हैं शेर की तरह रॉर की तरह ये he was brilliant Vicky Kaushal. I cannot see any actor playing this role guys. Absolutely दिल जीत लिया प्लस छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज इस जर्नी जो दुख सया उसने जो टॉर्चर सया जुल्म सया उसने because of this evil empire Aurangzeb की वजह से and all this the locations and the costumes of each character was brilliant absolutely brilliant absolutely brilliant and music थोड़ा जा ठंडा लगा A.R. Rahman given the music of the film it couldn't be better it couldn't be superb जो बजना चाहिए म्यूजिक ये बड़ी पिक्चर में ऐसा धमाकेदार साउंड बट द म्यूजिक हैज बीन नॉट गुड इट्स बीन अ लेट डाउन because A.R. Rahman is a legend in Bollywood. Should have given some super music in this film. This film deserved good impact music. और music let down किया. That's the minus point for the music for this film. And but the film is brilliant, outstanding. It's a Vicky Kaushal picture, Vicky Kaushal show, and a salute to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's history telling story, journey, life journey, जो दिखाया है. Yeah, Rashmika Mandana was brilliant as well. Brilliant, she looked as Yoshu, and Vineet Kumar Singh was outstanding. I have seen him in Jat. He was villain in that, but he was brilliant in Chhawa as well. Vineet Kumar Singh. Ashutosh Rana is a good actor. He was good as well. Divya Datta, she had a little role when Chhatrapati Shivaji's life journey they showed when he was जो बचपन उसका दिखाते हैं yeah Divya Datta had a small character in the film but everything was brilliant the fight scene the stunts the action the jump जो गदा से मारता है वो सीन तो शेर वाला सीन वो एंट्री जो घोड़े पर आता है मारदार करता है टूट पड़ता है ये मुगल 1000 ये लोगों को मारता है. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely winner. Chava is a blockbuster. Absolutely blockbuster. दिल खुश कर दिया ये विकी कौशल का परफॉर्मेंस. आई हैव लव्ड विकी कौशल. ब्रिलियंट. सभी ने काम अच्छा किया. म्यूजिक थोड़ा सा अच्छा हो सकता था लेकिन म्यूजिक let down था मेरे लिए. A.R. Rahman could have given the better music in this film in my opinion. But yeah, but apart from that, the film is brilliant. The storyline was good and is a well-made film for me because it's after all is a life journey of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's journey. Salute है भाई, salute है इस वॉरियर को, इस योद्धा को सलूट है. दिल जीत लिया इस वॉरियर ने. विकी कौशल ने मेरा दिल जीत लिया. इस पंजाब का सुपरस्टार ने, बॉलीवुड का सुपरस्टार ने दिल जीत लिया मेरा. हिज परफॉर्मेंस इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. क्या बताए. Absolutely fantastic. This is what I call a film. I hope Vicky Kaushal gets an Oscar. उसको ऑस्कर मिलना चाहिए इस पिक्चर के लिए. Absolutely, he deserves to win this Oscar for me, Vicky Kaushal. I cannot see other actor playing this role. It's not easy. Plus the end, the climax scene as well. The torture, the blood, the pain, the suffering is heartbreaking. It was hard to watch on screen. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, it was difficult to watch. वो scene, climax scene जो है, वो बना होता है, वो बेरियों से बना होता है. छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज को जुल्म करते. माय गॉड, it was hard to see, heartbreaking. Emotional भी था. Feel so bad what happened to this character, this warrior, a true legend warrior, a true winner, a true शेर. लेकिन उफ नहीं की इस बंदे ने. Absolutely fantastic. जो मारदार करता है दुश्मन को, जो खार के मारता है टाइगर को, जो भी फिल्म में करता है. Absolutely is a grand salute. Absolutely grand salute. Chava, I will give 10 out of 10. This does not deserve stars. It deserves a salute. I give it 10 out of 10. This film deserves grand. Absolutely बढ़िया, fantastic, outstanding, and one of the best films of 2025. Highest grossing films of 2025. Absolutely बढ़िया film. इसे कहते हैं पिक्चर. And you can watch this film again. I can watch this film again. It's a repeat value film. It's not that kind of film. Oh, एक बार आई तो भूल जाओ. ये भूलने वाली पिक्चर नहीं है. एक बार 100 बार भी देख सकता हूँ मैं, 2 बार 3 बार भी देख सकता हूँ. ये फिल्म इतनी अच्छी है. म्यूज़िक अच्छा हो सकता है, म्यूज़िक नहीं इतना खरा है इस फिल्म का, लेकिन इज़ अ लेट डाउन. बट प्लस विकी कौशल has won, absolutely won my heart. And the way he portrayed this character in every form, every scene Vicky Kaushal did, outstanding. So grand salute to Vicky Kaushal's character and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's true historical. He was a warrior, योद्धा जिसे कहते हैं, warrior है, historical warrior. Absolutely history telling this epic period drama film. Winner. This is a film of this year. Absolutely the best films of 2025. Vicky Kaushal deserves a Oscar. इसको ऑस्कर मिलना चाहिए. Vicky Kaushal has worked so hard on his character. It's not easy. Mushkil. It was very tough to play this character. I don't think any other actor would have played the character of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's warrior role. Vicky Kaushal fits well. He played well. Way he roared, शेर की तरह ऐसे पिक्चर में करता है, दुश्मन को खाटता है, मारता है, इतनी सेना से मारता है. जो रोर है इसमें ताकत है, जान लगाता है, दिल जान मारता है, दुश्मन का खारे मारता है. वो बॉडी बिल्डर को भी खार के ऐसा पटक करता है ना ज़मीन पर, आर की तरह. वो स्टार्टिंग में फिल्म में दैट्स द बेस्ट सीन. जो बॉडी बिल्डर रखा है फिल्म में, उसको भी पटक के ऐसे मारता है जैसे WWE को ऐसा मारते हैं रिंग में, ऐसा scene laga. Vicky Kaushal, absolutely fantastic. A true warrior, true action superstar, a true winner. Absolutely दिल जीत लिया इस बंदे विकी कौशल ने. Plus छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज. Salute, salute, and absolutely brilliant. What can I say? The end of it was very difficult to see. मुश्किल था देखने के लिए, जो दर्द में सफ़र करता है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस evil अक्षय खन्ना. खतरनाक विलन दिखाया है इस पिक्चर में. You couldn't recognize him. The makeup they did, he given him beard, बड़े बाल. उसका फ्लैशबैक भी दिखाता है अक्षय खन्ना का. एंड अक्षय खन्ना, गुड टू सी अक्षय खन्ना विद अ बैंग एज औरंगजेब, दिस evil emperor, Mughal emperor, जो प्ले कैरेक्टर प्ले करता है. ही yeah, but you feel like you will hate this character, what he did to Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's जर्नी. जो उसका साथ करता है, जुल्म करता है उस बेचारे इस वॉरियर को. लेकिन वो फनी की उसने फिर भी अपना दम दिखाया, पावर दिखाई उसको हराने के लिए. लेकिन एंड में वो भी मर जाता है तो छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज की जुबान काट देते हैं, उसकी आंखें निकाल रहे हैं. उस माय गॉड, इट वाज हार्ड टू वॉच. ओह, ऐसा था दर्द वाला सीन. ही वाज tied so badly. Why he had all this blood everywhere, he got this zakham everywhere body, जो किया जुल्म, what he suffered, how he sacrificed his life. Oh my god, it's hard. It was heartbreaking. It was heartbreaking. Could not see. It was heartbreaking. We can. This film is a blockbuster. दिल जीत लिया फिल्म ने, देख लिया मैंने. Absolutely loved it. I couldn't watch the film in the theaters. I wanted to watch this film in the theaters, but I didn't have the chance to watch Chhawa at the big screen. This is big screen experience film. This was. Finally, मैंने देख ली picture. I loved it. I loved Sambhaji Maharaj's journey. Real warrior. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's life journey, where he portrayed. Absolutely, it was hard, difficult, but where he fighted that wrestler, where he fighted that lion, where he fighted his troops in the war. He was a warrior. Absolutely brilliant. Damdar dialogues, and his character was Damdar, Dhamakedar. His entry scene was brilliant. Everything of his scene in Chhawa, outstanding. Except for the music could have been better, but the movie is brilliant. Yes, people give mixed views. It went in controversy as well, the film, but still, for me, I loved Vicky Kaushal. Vicky Kaushal is the best actor in Bollywood history, and plus he can speak Hindi, Punjabi, and other Telugu languages. He can speak. He's multi-talented. Wherever he can play as a lover boy, he can play this action period, mass entertainer. You wanna call it Chambhaji, Chhatrapati Chambhaji Maharaj's journey. I cannot see other actor playing this role. It was difficult to play this role. कोई नहीं ये रोल कर सकता बॉलीवुड में. होर को होता है फिल्म में, ये फिल्म उस लेवल पर नहीं जाती. अगर विकी कौशल को निकाल दो इस फिल्म में, trust me, you cannot see other actor playing this character. So Lakshman Otekar did a good job as direction, and Dinesh Vijan. Madak always tries good attempt movies. Stree 1, Stree 2, Munjia, Chhawa now, absolutely. Then they made Bul Chuk Maaf. I've not seen Munjia. I still need to see. But Madak films I also made Param Sundari recently. That didn't work at the box office, but still, Madak films try. They do good attempt with their films. Dinesh Vijan does something different on his movie wise. So Chhawa has to be the best films in Madak films history. Chhawa has to be the best historical epic period drama action films ever, best made in Bollywood. Yeah, some scenes a little bit slow, but the film I enjoyed. एक सीन मैंने मिस नहीं किया. Absolutely loved the film. Akshay Khanna mind could not recognize this look, this makeup, or Akshay Khanna looked. He was evil. You just feel like you hate the character. You just नफरत होती है इस character से ऐसे छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज का जो भी हाल बुरा करता है. You just hate Aurangzeb's character, the evil emperor character. You just गुस्सा आता है इस पर, क्यों किया जुल्म. ये भाई संभाजी महाराज life dedication, I salute why he's suffered in reality, and this was reality what happened in that so many years. Yeah, what a true warrior. As a true warrior इस दुनिया पे नहीं मिलेगा. Wow, he suffered. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's journey beautifully well they showed as Chava. So I'm gonna give it full. This film deserves more than stars. 10 out of 10. Absolutely loved. हर कैरेक्टर ने अपना खूबी से काम किया. Aristos Rana, you have Diane Penty was in the villain side with Akshay Khanna side, and she was okay, to be honest. Divya Datta was okay as well. थोड़ा सा उसका काम था. Aristos Rana was decent, but Vineet Kumar Singh has to be the winner. Vineet Kumar Singh was the winner for me. And the Vicky Kaushal is a Vicky Kaushal show. Vicky Kaushal as this warrior. Brilliant. Portrayed. Brilliant. क्या काम किया विकी कौशल ने. Best best role in his career in Bollywood. Absolutely mass action period historical drama film. This was Chhawa. दिल जीत लिया मैंने. मेरा दिल जीत लिया ये फिल्म देख के. A salute to this warrior. The salute to this Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's life journey. Dedication to his life journey. And Rishimika Mandana was good as well. Her costume, where she did a character, where she looked, the costumes, every costume was brilliant of each and every character. Brilliant, 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 outstanding, outstanding, outstanding. Vicky Kaushal, superb, superb, superb. And well made storyline. Well made storyline of this warrior. You're not gonna get a warrior like this ever in the world. दुनिया में ये स्पेशल था. ये छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज's life dedication. Absolutely, yeah. The end bit was very sad, and the cruelty जो दिखाया उसको, it was hard to watch. It was sad and it was difficult to watch. Oh my God. Hari Om. So yeah, so Chhawa is a winner. True winner for me. True winner. I can watch this film again and I can enjoy this life journey of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's journey. And he had a son in the film as well. Tried to make him the king in the film. बेटे को, yeah, film में दिखाया है वो लड़का picture में. Yeah, he did decent job as well. And the छोटा बच्चा वो film में दिखाता है, आई साहब and all that, वो बोलता है, आवाज देता है, वो उसका भी काम अच्छा है छोटे बच्चे का, बेबी लड़का का. या छत्रपति शिवाजी लाइफ जर्नी जो दिखाया सभी ब्रिलियंट. विकी कौशल इज अ विनर, ट्रू विनर. So there you go. Chhawa is a superb film, fantastic film. Vicky Kaushal, blockbuster, fantastic, has portrayed it very well. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, loved every scene, the fight scene, the पहलवान वाला scene जो पटक के मारता है, वो शेर वाला scene जो उसको मारता है शेर को रोर की तरह. he is roaring. विकी कौशल सभी को मारता है, वो गदा से मारता है, जो भी करता है फिल्म में ब्रिलियंट. इस लाविश जो गद्दी में बैठता है महाराज ऐसा होता है वो, ही लुक्स ब्रिलियंट. विकी कौशल brilliant, absolutely fantastic. Loved the film, loved it. So I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10. This film deserves that much support. Chhawa एकदम बढ़िया फिल्म, एकदम फैंटास्टिक. रोर असली शेर उसको कहते हैं वो है छावा में था, असली छावा ये विकी कौशल था इस पिक्चर में. Brilliant. So there you go. That's the review for Chava, which came out 14 Feb 2025 in theaters and become an all-time blockbuster at the box office. Brilliant. Thumbs up and salute to the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's dedication, life journey, the sacrifice, the pain, the torture, everything he suffered. Absolutely Vicky Kaushal winner for me. Brilliant. दिल जीत लिया मेरा इसने बंदे ने, विकी कौशल ने. So I'm gonna end the video. I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.